Welcome back. We're bringing you the latest trends and products here at CES 2018 live. Joining me right now is Mel from CMI Health, and I tell you what, you are leading the way as well. Tell us a little bit about your company and what we have right here.
Yeah, thank you. We're excited to be here. This is our second year being here at the show, and we've been manufacturing medical device products for more than 20 years, and very successfully. Many physicians, hospitals use our products, but we see a growing opportunity moving into the consumer, and there are a lot of consumer products that are going to be available for healthcare going forward. We want to be part of that.
Well, you know, I have a little bit of information about this to know that they're easy enough that somebody even like me will be able to use them.
Absolutely. I'm the perfect example. If I can do it, anybody can do it.
Well, what do you have right here? Right on your hand, I see something.
This is a oximeter that's been manufactured, and we've created apps so that you could do a sleep apnea screening test at home. So rather than spending $2,500, $3,500 on a sleep clinic to determine whether or not you have sleep apnea, if you think you might have it, maybe you snore too much, your wife tells you that you do, and you want to find out whether or not it's apnea, then you would wear this device overnight, and it would generate a report that will show you whether you indicate for sleep apnea or not.
And it looks like it's pretty easy to wear, not any discomfort at all. And how many evenings would you have to wear this?
You could wear it one evening, but it will actually store up to 4 nights worth of data, and then it'll complete a very comprehensive report that tells you where you stand versus your pulse rate, your oxygen levels throughout the night, and what spikes that you may have, and whether it's of concern or not.
So we don't have to interpret the data or take it to somebody to do so. It's going to give us its first thoughts right out of the gate.
Yes, you'll understand the report, but it's designed so that you actually can email that report or send it in hard copy to your physician for your physician to review it.
And from there on, they can start with whatever treatment they may deem necessary.
That's absolutely correct, yes.
Now, companion to that, I also see some high-tech medical devices over here.
Yeah, this is a smart Pillbox. We introduced this Pillbox last year at the show, and we were fortunate enough that the Today Show actually featured this product on their show as one of the outstanding products of the show. It's very sophisticated. It allows people that have to take medications on a timely basis to be able to record that into an app, and then a loved one or a nurse, whomever you want to know, an accountability partner if you will know whether or not you've opened your Pillbox to take your medicine at the appointed time. And of course it does other things for the individual, like blink green when it's time to take the medicine here in this LED light. And if you've taken the medicine but you've forgotten whether you took your medicine or not, it'll blink red the next time you open it, letting you know it's not time to take the medicine.
Wow, that really has a number of different applications as well, both for the user and those who are going to be tuning in.
Yeah, absolutely. It can be used for people that need medication, people that are fitness buffs that want to take certain supplements at certain times could use it as well.
That is very cool. Easy to operate as well and set up, has an app, correct?
Yes, has an app, very easy to load, free.
That's cool. Now, what do we have right here, Mel?
Yes, this is a product we're introducing at the show. It's we think it's an extremely exciting product. It's a spirometer. So if you have hypertension, you can do a blood pressure check. If you have diabetes, you can do a glucose check. But if you have lung disease, there really hasn't been something that's practical for people to test themselves at home. Wow. And this is what the spirometer does. It's the #1 spirometer in use in China right now. It's a fabulous product, and we're introducing it here for personal home use. Very affordable. We think that'll come on the market somewhere between $249 and $299.
And ease of use, how do you operate it?
Well, it's very simple to operate. You just simply turn the device on, and then you would blow into this plastic sheet here, and it's removable, disposable. It's obviously, if you're the only one using the device, you're okay reusing it, but if you have multiple users in your family, then you would have a use of the disposable.
And then the data, what would it tell us?
Yeah, the data is going to tell you if you have COPD or asthma or cystic fibrosis or other certain diseases. It'll show you where you line up on that disease state as far as your lung function capability. It'll tell you whether you're at risk or not at risk. Your physician has a portal that he can get into and look at your results. So you can do this routinely, 6 days a week, 3 times a day. And the beauty of that is if you start to decline in your ability to breathe, you'll know it sooner rather than later. And your doctor will know it sooner rather than later. And you can adjust medications and see how you do with certain medication versus others when you breathe into the device.
Amazing. So from sleep apnea to possible lung disease or condition and being able to timely take our pills, you have a solution for everybody. And with that said right now, Mel, I know you have the attention of all of our viewers out there. What's the best way for them to learn more about CMI Health?
The best way would be they could go to our store, which is cmihealth.com. There are a number of products, including all of these products, located on the store. I'll say one thing, the Spirometer will be available, we think, this summer. We're having to apply for the FDA approval, but the device is ready to go otherwise.
Easy enough. Mel, thank you so much for being on.
All right, great. Thank you.